I love the Intercontinentals, and today I want to speak about the Intercontinental in Santiago in Chile that we went to. What a wonderful hotel this was. Again, beautiful room, great club facilities, and the situation is really good. It's a little bit outside the center of town, but it's just a short walk where you can take the cable and the funicular, which you've got to do when you're in Santiago in Chile. But what I loved there was their club facilities, which is different to most of the other Intercontinentals. Most of the others, you go in and you will get a few little snacks that they bring out to you, some sandwiches, that kind of stuff. With this one, you get the full menu. Whatever anyone's paying for, you can drink anything you like, you can eat anything you like. I mean, they had 20-year-old single malts there, and I could order those if I wanted to. I just loved how well they treated us. They had a great swimming pool over there, great gym as well, and really good internet access, which is really important to me. Service, as usual, was wonderful, great Intercontinental standard. So I would say to anyone going to Santiago, please consider going to the Intercontinental. Great hotel.